TLE. Technical Drafting Review. Drafting Floor, Roof, and Ceiling Plan Module. Question number 1. It is an architectural layout that shows a 2D, top-down view of a room or a building. The correct answer is letter C, the floor plan. Number 2. The entire layout of the floor area is called the blank. The correct answer is letter B, the floor layout. Number 3. What do window symbols represent in a floor plan? The correct answer is letter A. It represents wall openings or windows of a structure. Number 4. The blank include the shape and dimension of the roof. The correct answer is letter D, the roof outline. Number 5. What do light fixtures represent in a floor plan? The correct answer is letter B. It is the visual representations of lighting equipment. Number 6. What does roof slope refer to? The correct answer is letter A. It is the incline or pitch of a roof surface. Number 7. What do exterior walls represent in a floor plan? The correct answer is letter A. It represents the external part of the structure's walls. Number 8. What does a roof outline in a roof plan include? The correct answer is letter C. It includes the shape and dimension of the roof. Number 9. What are floor plans essential for in architecture, design, and construction? The correct answer is letter D. It provides a scaled representation of a building's layout from a top-down perspective. Number 10. What do furniture and fixtures in a floor plan indicate? The correct answer is letter B. It indicates the different furniture, appliances, fixtures, and plumbing components. Number 11. It is considered as the angular measurement at which the roof slopes and can vary widely depending on architectural design and functional requirements. The correct answer is letter C, the roof angle. Number 12. This element is added to determine the entryways in a building. The correct answer is letter B, the door symbol. Number 13. These are used for precise placement of light fixtures, ventilation, and other features. The correct answer is letter D, the grid system. Number 14. What do interior walls represent in a floor plan? The correct answer is letter C. It shows the internal walls or partitions of a structure. Last question, number 15. These are sets of measurements that define the size, shape, and key characteristics of a roof. The correct answer is letter A, the roof dimensions. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching.